got this waterfall coming up. Check it out. Cool is that? So this is Changi Airport, Singapore, and I'm in Terminal 2. So what I thought I'd do is kind of do a little bit of a tour around here. This is a really cool airport, and it's awful big, so I'm just going to cover this terminal. So check it out. This is where the map is, and you see right there, you are here, which is right over there. That is the immigration. And first thing I'm going to do is head over to this place called the Dreamscape, and we'll see some things along the way. I've been to this airport several times. You can see all the stores as I go by here. I believe this terminal has been totally renovated. And it's all Christmassy right now. Everything's all set for the season, which is, I think it's really neat. And it's almost like, you know, going into a shopping mall. Oftentimes they'll have flights here that they'll keep you here for, I mean, 8 to 10 hours. So I try to do a pretty good walk around here since I have about 3 hours for my next flight. Very easy to get around. Oh, let's see, we'll check this right here before we move on a little bit. Look at these little displays while I'm walking around. This is a Changi Millionaire Experience. You can stand there and get set up. Kind of cool. Look at this Jeep though. That's the thing that fascinates me, is this. Destination South Africa. Okay, let's go this way. Continue on to the Dreamscape. There's another immigration point, and you get yourself a little cart too if you want to roll your luggage around. Plenty of currency places here. And this is the, I believe, the Dreamscape right here. Yep. Let's kind of look around. nice little 360 here. Got that soothing music right behind you. You can walk among the fish right on top. See this. How about that? So this is kind of the highlight here, just to really makes your time at the airport go by pretty quick when you get another outside look here. I think you can even go up there, look from below, and I'll check that out as well. So this is called Baca Coffee. But I've never seen a coffee shop like this. They probably have every coffee in here imaginable. And I love coffee too. Okay, let's take a walk down here. Very clean here too. There's another place called the Sunflower Garden. It's up the escalator there. See that. One of many lounges. Look at the size of that big screen right there. That is huge. And it is absolutely pouring rain outside. Let's take a walk through this street kitchen right here. As you can see, there's just endless amounts of places to eat. Makes you wonder if you're even in an airport sometimes. Okay, let's keep going this way. And we're going to check out this garden over here, which is made up of all orchids. So this is a like an orchid garden. And it's really neat. Obviously everybody's getting pictures, but I'll go to the front of it and then come in. Get up here. I think the fish are so... Look at that fish right there. Oh my gosh, he's talking to this little fella right there, no kidding. That's really something.
Okay, you sit on the stand and you do this.
Another one right here. So quite a sight.
I mean, we had a lunch,
And continuing on. Just doing a casual walk through here. And if you keep going down that way, you'll start running into other terminals. But mine is leaving from here. Now I think I'm gonna head over to that other garden and look at that. All types of booze. Okay, up here on the second level, and I'll get a look out the Dreamscape from above. as I make my way to the sunflower garden. Pretty neat. Let's see if it's open. Nice place to hang out right here. Stress release. And that is outside, so I don't think I'm going to be going out there with all this rain, but there it is right there. I'll just look through the door here. Okay, just from a distance. There it is. I'd love to walk through it, but I don't feel like getting soaking wet. Okay, I'm going to go up this escalator over here. Got more dining areas up here. Almost completed my tour. Oh, my favorite 7-Eleven. The Straits of Food Village. Let's go take a walk around and see what's here. Everything, a lot of kiosk. Looks like you can place your order just about anywhere. Alright, we'll head around here. Can you imagine if I mentioned every one of these? It would be crazy. Thai Dynasty, plenty of Thai food. Let's go down this way. Got a Subway. And of course a McDonald's. Let's take a walk over to this 7-Eleven over here. Show you what a Singapore 7-Eleven really looks like. And they're all very good. I'm never disappointed when I come. Let's see what these are unlike what you'll find in the US. I love the protein drinks. Absolutely no shortage of places to eat, and all these protein bars you can get. So, tell me what you think about this little store.